This is our Earth model.
The inner core is the hottest and densest part of our structure. The outer core surrounds the inner core and it's liquid. The mantle has the most volume.
The ionosphere gives nutrients to plants, and the lithosphere is responsible for Earth's tectonic plate movements. The crust is what we walk on. It's important to learn about our Earth structure so we can compare it to other planets.
Thank you.
Aastha, Patel, and Theia. Mars. Mars has a similar daylight cycle to Earth's. The temperature on Mars is actually warmer than a lot of other planets in our solar system. You don't have to worry about any eruptions because there's no volcanoes. There might be signs of a subsurface lake and frozen water at the poles. There are many great places to visit like the Valles Marineris and beautiful sand dunes. Come to Mars. We are not responsible for any of these things. Europa.
Europa has a really thin atmosphere, but it does have a small amount of oxygen. Its surface is actively releasing water into space. You can see Jupiter from Europa. Europa has a size around 90% of our moon. One day on Europa is 3.5 Earth days, and one orbit is 3.5 Earth days too. Europa is the perfect place for you. We are not responsible for any of these things. Ceres. Ceres has stunning geological features. One rotation is 9 hours. Its atmosphere has water vapor and water inside the planet.
You don't have to feel about getting sweaty and yucky because it's a cold planet.
There's water in the air.
Ceres is a great place to be.
We are not responsible for any of these things.
This is our bibliography.
Thank you. This is our graph for the thermometer that was in the jar with holes in the lid. So as you can see, it stays at a pretty medium temperature, and this is the atmosphere of our Earth. This is the closed jar. So in the closed jar, the temperatures rise, and it shows as it's like the atmosphere of Venus. And the thermometer on the sidewalk, the temperature slowly decreases. This represents a planet with no atmosphere. And this is all the information put into one chart.